Alright, well I made it not only to the waterfall, but I'm in the water now as I'm taking these photos. We got people jumping out of the trees. The water is fantastic. It's a hot day, so really refreshing. Let me pan around to show where it goes downstream. These slippery on these rocks, but let's try to get a view of the next series. Can't really. There's a pool that this water goes down to. I'm not sure if it can be seen. But this is the main attraction. The high end of the waterfall. Once again here, about an hour outside of Kuang. It's a popular spot for the locals as well as tourists. Totally understandable. Awesome swimming place. A beautiful location up in the mountains.